Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of October 2007. It's almost 3 p.m. London time, and one of the setups that I was following today, and I told the guys on my mailing list, was one of the setups was like I say, the GBP against the JPY on the 1 hour time frame. I was telling them how price retraced back to the dynamic area of resistance. It overshot a little bit right there, and around there is where I sent them the email. I was telling them that I was looking for a long entry. Ever since price has moved 100 pip to the upside, and actually I've just gotten my long entry signal. Well, first of all, I'm going ahead myself here. I'm getting ahead of myself. First of all, we are moving within a cleared up channel. All right, can you see that? Okay. Moreover, we have all the moving averages pointing up parallel to each other, no crossover whatsoever, etc., etc. And we've just bounced the lower end of the channel, as I was saying. All right. Okay, now I was just mentioning that I've just gotten my long entry. Okay, this is the retracement trend line. As you guys know, I like to, as I explained, I think it's on the chapter number 2 of my course, or chapter 3, I can't remember. I like price to breach the retracement trend line, okay, before taking an entry. All right, that's a retracement trend line marked in red. And if we zoom into the shorter time frames in order to search for an entry, we've just had this is a retracement trend line. Okay, I just showed you in the previous chart. This is the same chart, but just on the 15-minute chart, which is my trigger chart, meaning the time frame I would actually look for an entry. Right? Okay, here we've had the breakout of this retracement trend line, which was tested there and there. Okay, here we had the breakout, and then we've just had the pullback, retesting that trend line from above. Okay, retesting breakout levels. All right, breakout levels, breakout, pullback, continuation pattern. If you guys have been watching my videos throughout the last months, this is probably the 100th time I've mentioned this pattern: breakout, pullback, continuation. Okay, we've just made a new high right there. Okay, price found a temporary resistance as usual of the 236.50. Every day I repeat the same thing. Round numbers do work as psychological support and resistance. All right, keep an eye on them. And so, like I said, price found they work a little bit like pivots. Okay, all of you guys who are familiar with pivots, well, round numbers are similar. Okay, found a temporary resistance of it, then came down, retested the trend line, the retracement trend line from above, found support of there, and now it's just made a new high. Okay, that is where I should have triggered my long entry. At 236 55, just as we made a new high, but I haven't taken this entry, and I don't know, guys, call me a chicken, whatever, but I just can't take this trade. Have a look at where we are in the swing. Okay, this is why I always say that price action is so crucial. Have a look at this swing. Okay, this is the previous swing. All right, remember, this is the channel I was just showing you guys before. That's basically the setup we are trading. Okay, remember, what's the setup you're trading? I am trading here bounce of the channel bottom of the dynamic area of support. Okay, previous swing high. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. Previous swing high, okay, former resistance, now working as support, etc., etc. Okay, it's a perfect, very valid setup from a technical point of view. However, I can't take this trade because the entry came right there. Okay, right there. The previous high of the swing, it's up here, and this is the low of the swing. We are much closer to the top of the previous swing than actually to the bounce of this new swing. Okay, of the beginning of this new swing. Basically, as I always say, guys, trading is all about buying support, selling resistance. If I was going along here, I would be buying onto resistance. Okay, we have resistance levels right there, and the support, which is what I want to buy. I want to buy support and sell resistance. Okay, price action trading is all about that. My support is all the way down here. It's just too far away. Okay, the actual signal came way too far, way too late in the swing. Okay, like I say, the setup is perfectly valid. All right, it is valid from a technical point of view. All right, beautiful confluence of different elements of support, previous swing high, dynamic area of support, 50% Fibonacci, the 23500 round number, etc., etc. Moreover, we have the retracement trend line breakout with a breakout pullback continuation on the shorter time frames, etc., etc. We have the whole enchilada here, but I just can't take this trade, guys. I mean, I always say that trading is all about common sense, okay? And I consider myself a swing trader, and a swing trader trades the swing. I am way too far, way too late in this swing. It's moved 150 pips already on this swing. If the entry had come here, this would have been the trade of the year. I mean, from a technical point of view, it just can't be any clearer than this. Okay, if it came here, anywhere up to here, it would have been just great. But the entry has actually come here. My next resistance levels is only few, well, not it's about 30 pips above me. Okay, but my support is all the way down here. It's 150 pip fall. Okay, from here it's just too long. Okay, I'm too late in this. Well, not me, I mean the actual signal came way too late. All right, so I don't know, I gotta keep my discipline in check. Okay, I gotta I gotta be patient here and just wave goodbye to this setup. Like I say, it's a good setup, but risk is too high. The risk reward ratio now it's just not good anymore. Okay, so I gotta let it go. All right. Okay, guys, that was all. Just to let you know that there's been a very nice entry signal, but unfortunately, from a money management point of view, from a common sense point of view, I just gotta let it go. All right, guys. Okay, I will be seeing you tomorrow on the website for new trades, and I hope you you had a great day. Goodbye.